I've never seen the demand for precious metals even remotely close to what I'm seeing right now, ever in 34 years. Not even close, not by a million miles. And I will stick to what I've been saying on your show for the past 2 years. This market will define itself by the inability to source product when the music stops.
Welcome to Silver News Daily, your ultimate destination for all things precious metals. If you're passionate about the glimmer of silver and the world of precious metals, you're in the right place. By hitting that magical subscribe button, you're joining a community of like-minded thinkers who see the potential of silver and precious metals shaping the future. Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the latest news and updates. In an ever-interconnected global landscape, geopolitics plays a pivotal role in shaping market sentiment, and silver is no exception. The current geopolitical tension in the Middle East has created ripples across the financial markets, particularly with respect to assets like silver that are traditionally regarded as safe havens. The Israeli defense minister's alarming statements regarding the escalating situation have not only heightened concerns of a broader regional crisis, but have also turned investor eyes towards assets that can weather such storms. In this volatile scenario, silver has experienced a 0.68% uptick in just a week, highlighting its enduring appeal in times of uncertainty. But while the Middle East tensions provide a direct incentive for a bullish outlook on silver, they are merely one piece of a larger puzzle. The words and actions of central banks, particularly the U.S. Federal Reserve, offer another lens through which to gauge silver's trajectory. And with that, our attention shifts to the pivotal role the Fed plays in shaping the destiny of this precious metal, a theme we'll delve deeper into in our next segment. In the world of finance, few voices carry as much weight as that of the U.S. Federal Reserve, especially when it comes to influencing global investor sentiment. Recent comments from the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, have rippled through the markets, offering a glimmer of hope for silver enthusiasts. Powell's careful navigation around the topic of immediate rate hikes has instilled a certain level of optimism. While he remained firm on the central bank's commitment to its 2% inflation target, his avoidance of concrete policy predictions has led to subdued expectations for rate hikes for the remainder of the year. In essence, this ambiguity plays in favor of silver. Rate hikes typically increase the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding assets like silver. A potential delay or a softer stance on rate hikes can serve as a boon for silver prices. Furthermore, Powell's acknowledgement of the declining inflation rate coupled with a tight labor market paints a complex picture. On one hand, slowing inflation might push the Fed to reconsider its rate hike trajectory, giving silver a more favorable environment. On the other, robust job creation might hint at a resilient economy, which could offer counterpressure. Yet, amidst this maze of economic indicators and central bank strategies, one thing stands clear. The Fed's current stance, combined with ongoing geopolitical risks, positions silver as a bullish asset in the near term. But silver isn't just influenced by macroeconomic factors and central bank policies. It has its unique dual characteristics that further shape its destiny, a fascinating aspect we'll explore next. Silver occupies a unique position in the commodity spectrum. While it's traditionally viewed as a precious metal, offering a store of value during turbulent times, it also has vast industrial applications from electronics to medicine and renewable energy. This dual nature lends silver a degree of resilience and volatility that's unmatched. In the current market landscape, where economic variables seem to change by the day, silver's industrial facet comes to the fore. If we consider the increasing demand in sectors like electronics, solar energy, and medical applications, the value proposition for silver becomes even clearer. So when we hear that the market has been noisy around silver, it's primarily due to its extensive industrial use battling against its value as a precious metal. However, it's vital to consider silver, not just in isolation, but in relation to broader market forces. For instance, the strength of the US dollar is inversely proportional to silver prices. A robust dollar can dampen silver's appeal, while a weakening dollar can propel it higher. This relationship is further intensified by the fact that silver, in many ways, reflects global risk sentiment. An inclination towards risk-on attitudes in the market can influence silver's trajectory. As we delve deeper into the complexities of silver and its market dynamics, it's apparent that staying updated is crucial. For those avidly following silver's journey or just starting on this enlightening path, subscribing to Silver News Daily on YouTube is an excellent way to stay informed. Their timely updates and in-depth analysis ensure you never miss a beat in the world of silver. With silver's multifaceted appeal established, it's intriguing to analyze how technical indicators are reading a metal's current and future potential. Whenever we discuss the potential trajectory of any asset, the technical indicators play an indispensable role. These indicators, which are deeply rooted in price and volume. Data provide insightful glimpses into potential future moves. Silver, with its volatile nature, becomes an intriguing subject for technical analysis. Currently, the daily price of silver, XAG/USD, hovers at $22.95, a hair's breadth above its 50-day moving average of $22.92. This proximity signifies a potential short-term bullish momentum. However, the overarching picture seems a tad more cautious as the price remains below the longer-term 200-day moving average of $23.32, hinting at a bearish undertone. The market's boundaries are defined by a narrow range, with trendline support at $22.23 and resistance at $24.24. Breaching either extremity could catalyze a significant move in the corresponding direction. Moreover, the current market sentiment cautiously hovers near the minor resistance of $22.55, a critical pivot point to watch. Understanding these technical nuances is crucial. When silver is poised at such an intriguing juncture, a move in either direction can be precipitated by various triggers, be it geopolitical events, Federal Reserve decisions, or broader economic indicators. As we anticipate silver's next move, based on these technical indicators and market events, the next section will provide clarity on potential scenarios and their implications. When deciphering the possible trajectories for silver, it's essential to consider its dual nature. Unlike other precious metals, silver isn't just a store of value, it's also pivotal in industries, which means its price movement can be influenced by both financial and industrial factors. Some market analysts anticipate a bullish stance given silver's recent behavior. If silver breaks above the prior session's peak, it could pave the way to the $24 level, a key resistance. However, it's acknowledged that reaching this point would necessitate considerable market momentum and investor sentiment. On the flip side, if silver trends downwards, passing below the $22.50 mark, we could see a more pronounced decline. The $22 benchmark represents a significant psychological barrier previously buoyed by bullish pressure. Dropping beneath this could see silver heading toward the $21 range. In either case, whether fueled by geopolitical tremors, federal policy shifts, or pure market dynamics, silver remains one of the most watchworthy assets. Its volatility and unpredictability make it a fascinating subject for both casual observers and seasoned investors. Before we wrap up, remember that investing always carries inherent risks. Silver's market, with its intricate dance of geopolitics, financial policy, and industrial demand, is no exception. So always ensure you're well informed and make decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Lastly, if you found this analysis insightful, consider subscribing to Silver News Daily on YouTube for more detailed breakdowns and updates. And a gentle reminder, this video is purely for educational and informational purposes and should not be construed as investment advice.